Would you look at this? Seiko, Seiko, Seiko. Everywhere you go, Seiko. Yeah. Yo, see that right there? Those are two cicadas mating. That's how they do their thing right there. Right in my backyard at that. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into this video about these Yeezy. Alright? Get into it. Cicadas in the building, for sure. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out, right? I'm about to unbox these Yeezy Boost 350s for y'all right quick. You understand what I'm saying? Check out the box. 350 Yeezy. Yeezy size 11, my size. All right, the Sand Taupe. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get into it, y'all. So check this out. Go ahead and unbox these joints. Let's go. And here we go, people. Yeezy 350 Boost. Sand Taupe. Look at the orange. I love the way this orange looks. You know what I'm saying? Got them laces in it, but it came with an extra pair that you could actually tie, which are right. Here they go. The extra laces, in case you don't want to deal with this. You know what I mean? The extra laces. Yo, this shoe is the bomb. For me, this is probably the best Yeezy that I've seen. You know what I'm saying? This is my second pair of Yeezys that I own. So, you know, here's what it is. Get into it, y'all. P. Ross. They go them 3 Adidas stripes, yo. The 3 stripes, baby. You understand what I'm saying? On the inside, it says Adidas, Yeezy, of course. You know what I mean? So, we're going to try them on feet. Enjoy what y'all see. Peace. This your boy P. Ross unboxing the Yeezys 350 Sand Taupe. Peace.